I don't know what kind of flower is this one, but I like it. Ito yung dahon niya. Ito yung bulaklak niya. Maganda siya tingnan sa malayo. See? Parang buhok. I don't know what kind of plant this one. I don't have any idea. Today is June 3, Wednesday. This is the plant. Ito kahoy. Ito ang kahoy niya. Diba? Yung bulaklak niya, oh. Ito na yung bulaklak, the flower. I don't know what this is. Maganda, oh. Maganda siya tingnan sa malayo. Parang buhok, like a hair. May mga taong ganyan na buhok eh, especially from Europe. Wa ko kay bago sa ring ngang kahoy ya. This is wala ni sa Pilipinas. I don't know. Tawa ko ni makakita sa Pilipinas ano. There's a lot over here. See? Got more over there. Ito, lapitan natin. I make it closer. Ito yung bulaklak niya. See? I don't know what this is. Okay, there you go. Gandang tingnan. It's look beautiful. Okay, that is for today.